So here we are at 200 Red Lane, beautifully presented detached family home. Property has been modernised throughout inside. We've got a lawn garden here at the front and driveway leading to the garage there. Where the property is located, as you can see, we've got plenty of fields over in the distance, and I believe that there are fantastic views from the back window with Bolton town centre and of course Manchester city centre in view. Right, let's go inside and have a look. Here we are inside this beautiful property on Red Lane. As you can see, all very nicely done up and very tastefully done internally. Stairs to the first floor there. Entrance hallway. What we've got here also, I must mention, we've got brand new rock door. So that's straight into the lounge. And we have beautiful lounge here. Media wall with inset fire. That's a gorgeous fire, that, isn't it? Now our clients have said, dependent upon the offer which comes in, they will leave the television there. It's not a small TV as you can see, but it does fit perfectly. But I must stress, it does depend on the offer which comes in for the property. But again, beautiful lounge. Okay, so straight back out into the hallway and we enter into the kitchen. Kitchen is a very light kitchen, very modern, range of fitted wall and base units as we can see. Space for a larder fridge, space also for slimline dishwasher and a electric oven, and a stainless steel sink there, and views to the rear which we'll have a look at a little bit later. From here we enter into the dining room. This room is actually currently being used as another bedroom. So straight into the dining room. This, as I was just saying, has been used currently, or is being used currently, as a fourth bedroom. See, it's a super size, obviously it's a fourth double bedroom in that respect, but it is a dining room. Beautiful views over the garden. Really is a super home, this. Right, let's take a look and see what we have upstairs. So here we are in the landing. 3 good sized bedrooms to show you here. So we'll go into the master bedroom. And here we have recently fitted wardrobes. You tell what a great size the bed is, can't you? Loads of room in here. Loads of room to walk to and from in between the bed and the wardrobes. Super room. From here, we'll also go into the second bedroom. Now this is the second double bedroom. As you can see, there's twin beds in here. But again, good sized double room. For me, one of the things I do like about this property are the views. So if we have a look out to the rear, obviously views over the garden, but super views over Bolton town centre and also over Manchester on a nice clear day. Back out onto the landing and we enter into the third bedroom. Typical lad's bedroom, as you can see. Single room, but as I say, got those views again. From here we have family bathroom and a separate WC. We'll look at the WC first. So this again is brand spanking new. Tile floor, tiled walls, double glazed window to the side and the WC. And to the front of the house we have brand new family bathroom, all beautifully modernised. Got the anthracite ladder radiator there, storage cupboard, sink and vanity unit, and a P-shaped bath there, with tiled floor and tile walls. Right, let's go and have a look and see what we have outside. So here we are outside 200 Red Lane. Beautiful garden. We've got a patio area there and a lawned area here. Obviously got a shed at the back, and I believe there are various different fruit trees within the garden. Now our current clients have had plans drawn up for a single storey extension to the back, which would wrap round to the side, and a double extension. So that would provide 2 more bedrooms to the first floor, downstairs WC, shower room, access into the garage, and of course at the back here there would be a large family kitchen dining room. Obviously something which they've not had done, but they have got the plans already in case somebody is willing to take them up on it. For further information and of course to arrange a viewing on this property, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.